Launchpad is one of the best way to make money in crypto if you know what you are doing, and Bybit will be launching a new token on their Launchpad, and there is this changing of subscription on this Bybit new process, and I'm going to explain this with full details about this project. And I've already made a video. You can just check my channel to see the full explanation. And if you don't get this, and make sure you stick to the end of this video, because I'm going to be doing the summary of this event. And right here you can come to this more. After you press more, you need to scroll down and find this event launchpad. Press launchpad and you need to wait. After waiting, you'll be able to find this right here, CTT. This is the launch pad. The snapshot period will start in 12 hours. So make sure you subscribe to my channel to receive real-time update about launchpad or some other way you'll be able to make money with crypto. And with that being said, make sure you use the like button also, so this video can go to get to more people. And right here you just need to press join now. The symbol of this token is CTT, and the price of these tokens being offered on this launchpad is 0.0033 USDT, and total token allocation for subscription is 22 million plus, and the same ticket, also the same token. And snapshot period is going to start at September 100, and the end of this snapshot is, or the subscription and the lottery is, September 5, 3:30 o'clock UTC time. And the duration of this period is going to end at September 5, 11 o'clock UTC time, and the snapshot period is going to start in 12 hours. And right now, make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you can get this real-time update about crypto, and you won't miss out on opportunity like this. And make sure you use the like button so this video can get to more people. Right here, subscription, you need to have this token MTN for you to be able to participate in this snapshot, and you need to have 50 average holding for these 5 days or 4 days. And if you don't have, you can just buy this token right now. If I press buy, it's going to take me to this place right here. I'm going to press cancel. If you have like 100, you want to use like $100, you can just press this buy right now. I'm just saying, so make sure you know what you are doing before you buy any token. So after you buy this token, you just need to wait back and just make sure you have this 50 average holding for this 4 days period of time, and buy or deposit MTN now to increase the token allocation. You can subscribe, and after doing that, then you'll be able to subscribe your average holding. And after subscribing your average holding, you'll be able to get this token, or you can participate in this lottery supported in USDT form. Commit $100 USDT to draw a lottery ticket and win CTT when your average holding and trading volume meet the requirements. And this is the requirement, $100 USDT, and the volume you might have for you to qualify for this is 50 USDT. And that's all you need to know about this. And this is the timeline period. This is the event. The average holding every day will be calculated, or the USDT during this snapshot period. And after the end of this snapshot period, you will know if you have this average holding and how many tickets you are able to get. But for this lottery, you just have to wait for maybe you're able to get ticket with this USDT. And that's all you need to know about this. And the time period, I've explained this earlier, is the end of this snapshot is going to end at 5 of September UTC time 00, and subscription period is going to start around this time, also around this time. And after all this, you'll be able to get your token. Launchpad period, the new token is expected to get listed on Bybit spot trading platform at September 5, 12 o'clock UTC time, if liquidity conditions are met. So that's all you need to know about this event. And I've made some special video for this event, how Bybit have changed the way they participate in this Launchpad. And for that video, you can just check my channel. It's going to pop up at the right corner of this video, so you can know more about this if you want to actually understand the full details. And if you get value in this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell.